Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to download and install Telegram on Windows PC. So whether you're using 32-bit computer or 64-bit, you will be able to install Telegram. You will be able to download Telegram on your PC, laptop, or a desktop. So for that, you need to open your favorite browser. And here at the very top in the address bar, you need to type telegram.org. Once you have typed it, hit enter and the telegram.org website will open, and here we have the options: Telegram for Android, Telegram for iPhone, and Telegram for PC and Linux. So here I'll click on Telegram for PC/Linux, and here we have this Get Telegram for Windows 64-bit, and click on Show All Platform, and here we have this Telegram for Windows 60 x64 and Get Telegram for Windows, which is 32-bit. So if you're not sure that which bit you're using, go for 64-bit, because in most of the cases now almost everyone use 64-bit computer. All right, so I'll click on Get Telegram for Windows 64, and a very small file will be downloaded. You can say a 39.5 MB file is getting downloaded, and once it is downloaded, we just need to open it and we need to install it. So it will not take much time, and once you open it, it will ask you to enter your phone number, and then you will get the code, and you can start using Telegram on your PC just like that here. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Please do let me know if you have already installed or you successfully installed it on your PC. Have a great day.